Hello, baby boy. Are you checking in on me? You just want some love. You just want some love. Oh, he's a beautiful boy. Oh, he's cute. Oh, so much love. I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky. So much love. Oh, he's a cute, cute boy. Oh, thank you for sitting with Mummy. Oh, thank you for sitting with Mummy. You're such a cute, cute boy. Thank you, my baby. I'm once again lying on the bed with a hot pack on my shoulder. It's time to get the shoulder exercises going. It's excruciating, not fun, but fortunately I have Mr. Sky right next to me for support. Yes, baby, thank you. Thank you, my love. Thank you.